Hey everyone, I just wanted to do this little short video about these two trucks. I think it's like a then and now sort of deal. I'm not completely sure. I think the one's a Dodge and one's a Ford, but we're gonna check it out. I mean, it's part of the Walmart clearance with 75 cents. 2-pack Maisto Adventure wheels. Let's see what it is. First up, we have what looks like, I'll tell you right now, this baby is pretty sweet. Looks pretty good. I like it. You know what else I like about it? Spare tire in the back. Yeah, it's got a plastic base, metal body, but it's heavy metal. Painted grill. Nice grill guard. Red lights. Little engine thingy up there. Nice metallic red. You know what else sold me on this right now? Can you see it? There we go. I'm gonna get close with this one. Watch what happens. You ready? Suspension. Look at that. See it bouncing? Tell me that's not cool. I have never seen a truck, in a diecast truck, pickup or otherwise, have suspension. See it bounce? Tell me that's not cool. And up here, we got, I believe this is a Dodge Ram. 2002 Dodge Ram quad cab. Yep. Not bad, not bad. Love this metallic paint. Gas container, or gas door. Shiny rims. No, nothing. No shocks with this one, but it's still nice. Could have did some headlights. It would have been nicer. But this metallic paint is, oh, does that say Dodge Ram? I think it does. All in all, nice finish. So I really do wonder if this is a weird wish. I don't know. Let's take a little look. Oh, it just says Maisto. Wait. Maisto.com. I don't know. But if anybody knows what kind of truck this is, yeah, I think I know, but I'm not positive. I don't want to assume. But if anyone knows what truck that is, with the nice suspension, spring loaders, whatever you want to call them, give me, shoot me a comment. Let me, thanks for commenting, thanks for subscribing, thanks for watching. I'll try and keep up the good work and check you all back later. Peace.